Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming power and connection so the shutdown is effective. First, locate the controller's power or Bluetooth button. Many controllers hide it near the top. Once found, press briefly to wake it and watch the paired device for the connection indicator. This helps you verify state. Make sure batteries are sufficient or the controller is plugged in. Low power can change button behavior. Once ready, prepare to use the correct button sequence to disable Bluetooth without resetting stored pairings. Now perform the main disable action. Press and hold the Bluetooth or pairing button for about 3 to 5 seconds. This commonly toggles radio off. Pay attention to the LED. A steady light that goes out or a change from fast to slow flash usually signals Bluetooth is off. If the controller pairs via a companion app, open it and use the toggle to disable wireless. This method is clearer and avoids accidental resets. If nothing changes, try the alternative long press sequence described by the manufacturer. Finish by confirming the radio is truly off. Check the paired device. The controller should disappear from its active devices list or show disconnected. That proves success. If it remains connected, power cycle the controller, turn off, wait 5 seconds, then turn back on and repeat the disable sequence. If it still won't disable, reset Bluetooth only as a last resort because resets can remove saved pairings. Instead, try toggling the companion app or updating firmware to resolve stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.